to see? No idea. Alright, well, as you guys can see, we're here at the truck. It's raining. It's kind of early. A little too early to be here for no reason. So, gotta let you guys know, it's our first day of work. Feel like my strobes definitely need to be rewired up, but all of the other mainly more required things are on the up and up, and we're actually about to head off to our first job. As hopefully it doesn't get canceled due to the rain. But I had to come at you guys and shout you guys and give you guys a little bit of intro. I was just doing my pre-trip and everything. Obviously, as you guys seen, we're daily uploading right now. We've been at the truck for the past 3 days, so I know everything is on the up and up. Mainly just recording this clip for you guys. I'm gonna stop getting wet now. I'm gonna jump in the truck and take off. Woo! All right. Yeah, camera works when it wants to. Look at them. All three of the cameras are on right now. But you can see this is the strobes. Definitely gotta rewire that one up. But other than that, we're gonna take off. We've seen the hazards where headlights and all the other side lights and amber markings are good to go for the most part. So let's just get out of here and get on with the day. And I'll catch you guys on the road. Yay! First day doing some sand. Not a problem. So I'm pretty sure it should be perfect enough room for one truck to get in it, or two trucks to be like side by side. So I'm gonna just set myself up. Your boy got no CB yet. First starting out. Don't judge me. Leave me alone. We'll get there, but until then, I'm gonna just do a nice little setup for right now. The dude has my number, so if he need me, he could shout me. I think I want to get some mirror chops, but I wanted to stop right here because I like using this side window. We're going to set up right now, and I'll catch you guys when we're back there. Yay! Loaded up. Your boy currently has his first load on. This is crazy. Honestly, wicked thankful, wicked grateful. I'm even working today. This is a crazy thing. The rain's supposed to stop pretty soon, so I'm not too worried about that. But man, this is amazing. Shout you guys when you get on the road. Here, and obviously you know I gotta record this because, like, you know, monumental moment right now. Let's see if I can catch a gear. Nope. Low. Alright, here we go. I was definitely free flowing. I don't want to hear nothing from nobody. Roll up the tarp. Just a chance. can't believe this, y'all. Like, we're really like, we're in our truck. Like, this is it right here. Like, this is us. I gotta get out and take a picture before I dump this load. You know that's a must. That's a mandatory. How soft is that ground? It kind of back up a little far. I feel like in my introduction video, I didn't even tell you guys, I do not have air ride in this. This is all, I think it's like a half leaf, half spring type of situation. Something that's going on here. I'm gonna wait for him to dump because I definitely want to kind of square my load in the same way how he's dumping his. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record all day for you guys. I'm gonna do bits and pieces because obviously with doing the same thing repeatedly, it's gonna get boring and repetitive to you guys. It's just obviously because this is my first load, I'm gonna record as much as I can. And I believe the GoPro's also, look at that, he's already spinning. Yeah, bro, miss me with that. My boy gonna have to lock the diffs, lock them up. See it there? Boom. Yes, sir. He's still spinning with them locked up. I don't know how I'm feeling about this right now because like, company trucks, yeah, call whoever you gotta call, pull out the truck. This right here, it's gonna be an interesting day. I can't lie to you. It's gonna be one ass interesting day. Jesus. I just clean my wheels. All right, here we go. Had to get a quick little, had to. All right, let's go dump the load. Had to take some pictures. All right, let's go. I definitely gotta reposition that passenger mirror. Not really liking the angle of it. I'm definitely also not feeling about this dirt right now. I'm gonna trust my gut and I'm gonna try not to go as far back as like they're probably gonna want me to. You could already see how soft that shit is. Yeah, but that's all they're getting out of it. This truck also doesn't have a vibrator on it. So like once the body's in the air, I can't like, you know, do like how we used to do in back when we were working for the orange trucks for Caliber. Damn, dumping my first load. I feel like I'm gonna lock the diffs up from now, so. Should have pinned up my mud flaps. I should have definitely pinned up my mud flaps. Pull out with the body up so that way I got all that. Yeah, see, I'm spinning too. Body come down. Oh man, oh man. That's one for the bucks. That's one for the bucks. Here we go. Yes, sir. Alright, we're gonna turn it around and get on for our second load. Let's go. Yay! Alright, y'all. I'm gonna probably end up switching over to the phone because GoPro's already on 50%. Or I might try the GoPro, I don't know yet. But we got load number 2 on us. We're gonna grab a ticket book, the loader here, and we're gonna get on our way back to the dump site. So I will catch you guys over there. Let's go. Yay. Oh boy. Alright, so sun is out now, the rain is gone. We are loaded up with, I believe this is load number 7. The run is super short, so obviously I'm not going to sit here and record every minute of it for you guys because that would then be boring. But get what I can for you guys. I'm thinking about making another video today. You guys see the hangar, the planes outside the hangars and whatnot. Thinking about making another video for you guys today because I want to try and stay daily. I might do a how to float the gears, or I might do a how to shift an 8 low because I think I have a 10 and then I have an 18, so I think I'm probably gonna have to give you guys a how to drive an 8 low as well. So I'm gonna have to get that for you guys. I'm more than likely gonna do that because I want to stay ahead of videos right now. You're gonna have to wait there, my boy. Sir, it would have been a lot better if I had my head mount too. I don't have that on me right now. but it's all right. Ain't no problem. I gotta say, guys, so far it's been a pretty good day and no problems, thank God, and hopefully it stays that way. Only thing I've noticed is the tarp kind of leans to one side more than the other when raveling and unraveling. That's kind of bothersome just a little bit. Other than that, I feel like we're probably gonna want some either cab mounts or a new cab leveler. I feel like I'm getting way too much play in the cab, like the cab bounces a lot. Other than that, I feel like it's a really sweet run. And I can't lie, I'm super happy and excited the fact that we were even able to get this. So nice truck, I can't lie to you guys. I gotta adjust that bottom mirror so I can actually see out of it and make it useful. Right now she gets the job done. Can't complain. I'll catch you guys when we're back at the dump site. Let's go. Can't lie, I'm really loving life right now. Like all of it. I'm really just enjoying life. Like every minute of life right now is just sweet. I can't even lie to you. Turning radius on this, can't lie, built like a Kenworth, or probably better yet to say like a tractor. I'll be nice. I'll let the car go. I'll be nice. Up is sweet. I'll go on this side. I'll play nice. Try and make it less dust. Probably cause more dirt this way, but I don't want to be too close with the dogs and whatnot. As you guys can see, they're out here building homes and whatnot. They probably wouldn't want the Jake on, but it's already enough noise going on, right? A little bit of Jake wouldn't hurt nobody. Alright. Not gonna lie, I don't know what it is. It's something about the sound of these brake cans. Like, listen. Oh my gosh. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted. I don't know how loud that was, but I know y'all hear the little cheer. Oh man, I don't know. Not every truck has that, so like, I don't know. That sound like, that shit nice to me. That shit wild nice. Every time my hand wants to go right here for the friggin' tarp, that's just like the orange truck. I gotta get out of that. That's not where my tarp is. I'll show you guys what I mean. How the tarp, you could already see it rolling into one side. When it gets tired, see what I mean? How it rolls over. I don't know how well I'm showing you guys. I can't see nothing right now, but you guys see what I'm saying. Sun is out, feels nice outside. Let me get you guys some footage. Oh boy. Got like 20 minutes left of recording, so I don't know how long this video is gonna be, so I'm gonna try and minimize how much I record, so let's get into it. Yee! See, I told you I had y'all. We're gonna lock up the diff every time just to play the safe side. It'll be something crazy. We get stuck on our first day. Woo! Right there. Tailgate, PTO, body up. One thing I really do love about this truck, the body go up mad slow. Like, you know, most bodies, they kind of like the jack will fly it in the air to fly it back down. This one took its time. I like that, nice and easy, you know. I don't know how well y'all can see the little lettering. I gotta take that off. I
pissed if this sand tears off my flap. Every load I say I need to pin up my flaps. So what do? I don't pin my flaps. So I just want everybody to know when I lose a flap today, it's nobody's fault but mine. Because clearly I don't care. Clearly. Like I got money to spend on flaps. Oh my God. I know they're gonna be mad because I'm looking spreading this load, but like I refuse to. I'm not losing a flap today. It's just not happening. Gotta love a good slam all the time. All right, I'll catch you guys. I'll catch y'all back on the route there. Let's go. Yay!
Alright, y'all. So apparently the job that we were just on, they're all set for today pretty much for the most part. They're not gonna want any more loads coming from us. So we're gonna be headed off to a new stop. Hey, still got both our flaps, that's wavy. And that's pretty much gonna be it. I don't know where the next job is. There's another driver that we're gonna be following to make sure we don't get lost. Yeah, man, I just polished up the wheels for them to look like this. Sad day.
I mean, at least the tank still look kind of, you know, halfway decent. But here she is.
Ordering road, making money, you know. Job we on today. It's pretty nice. We by the airport and everything. But catch you guys when we're back on the road. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. Hey.
You guys, give you a little update. We're empty now, as you can see. I didn't want to catch, it was hard to catch any footage of dumping. As you guys seen, I recorded the truck in front of me dumping, but I didn't want to shove a camera in nobody's face, so that was a little hard for me to get to. So I never got a chance to catch my own footage for dumping, but we were able to grab the next truck, and we're on our way now to grab another load of sand. I'm pretty sure we're delivering sand to a few different places today. That's what's going on. I just know that it was sand delivery from location to location. So the turnaround time is really good. Pretty good. I started the day off with half a tank, a little over a half a tank, and we're just under. So these are the kind of jobs that I look forward to, where we're not necessarily doing so much hard running to where I gotta really burn up a whole tank of diesel, you know what I'm saying? But I'm still in a good mood and everything. I'm getting kind of hungry. I kind of want to find some food. Honestly, there's nothing wrong with gas stations, so I'll probably just cool it where we are. Yeah, I know you guys can see the cab shake. I'm pretty sure it's either the leveler or the shocks. It's one of the two. Something got to change though. I got to do a little more research and find what exactly it is before I just diagnose it with whatever I think it is, you know. But we're getting pretty low on GoPro memory right now, so I I'll probably catch you guys up, if not in the next clip, in the next video. So just in case this is the end for today, this was my first day at work in my own dump truck. I couldn't be more happier, more thankful, more grateful to be where I am. I hope you guys are enjoying the video and everything. And just in case, like I said before, if I can find the gear, if I could find the gear, there we go. I will catch you guys. Oh, again, it's my first day out here. 8 low. I'm used to 10 and 18. Leave me alone. I'll catch you guys in the next video just in case this is it. Like, comment, subscribe on the vid, man. It's your boy, Mr. K Wavy, man. We the team with a dream. Like, comment, subscribe, join the Wave team, and I will catch you guys in the next one.